So this is the vinegar. Okay, the vinegar, you use it to clean the table very well. You put some drops. Okay, clean it very well. Okay, it kills all the germs, and also it's healthy because the vinegar is also used in the salads. So after cleaning, that's when you start roaring your mixture. Okay, so guys, we have reached the point where we are doing the roaring. This is how you do. You roar the rice with meat and the spices. You roar it. Okay, you roar it to the end. Now it's ready. So we go to this, take another one. Okay, you see, we roar. Start with the broad side, ending with the narrow side. You roar like this. Okay, you roar to the end. Okay, this is how we roar it. All right, there are some small pieces, you still roar the same. This is why we had to boil first, to make them soft, to enable the roaring. Now I know you understand why we had to boil first. So that's how we roar. Okay, so this is the ones already rolled. We wait them for cooking process. So hope you enjoy. We don't forget, we are still rolling this.